Well, hi everybody. Hey, we have um so we're going to make whipped cream um from the um from the carton of heavy whipping cream. The reason why I'm doing this is because we're getting close to the holidays, and when I have a lot of people over, we go through whipped cream like crazy. And using this kind is fun, but you blow through it really quick and it gets really expensive. So doing it this way and making your own, it goes a lot farther, and there's no chemicals or anything in it, so it's really nice and fresh. It doesn't have that fluffy fun spray, and all that what you can do with this. So but you still have the whipped cream and you have the flavor, and it actually tastes better. It has such a creamy, wonderful, sweet taste, and I like it much better. And nobody ever complains. They're just, in fact, they said, "Oh, this whipped cream is really good," and I just tell them it's because it's real whipped cream. But of course, they think real because it says real whipped cream here too. But hey, everything's got its issues. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you how I make the whipped cream. It's a real easy process, but nobody does it because they think it's too much work. But with this handy dandy stick blender, it's not a big deal at all. So anyways, I just wanted to show you how we do it. You can use any kind of heavy whipping cream by any brand. Just make sure it's heavy whipping cream. And then this is the recipe for one cup of whipping cream. So you take this, make sure everything's cold. I made sure that this was cold, my whipping cream is cold, and my blender. And put it all in here, and then I put this is a teaspoon, this is 1 cup of heavy cream, and then this is 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then I sprinkle in a little bit of the sugar. It's 1/4 of a cup. You could go anywhere from 2 tablespoons to 1/4 of a cup. But anyways, what you do is you don't want to over whip either, okay? So you put this in here, and then you start blending, and you just keep going until it comes together. And as you go along, you add a little bit more sugar. Now you want to test it because it's kind of deceiving as to how it looks, because it looks thinner than what it is. So go like this. See, this is nice and thick, and that's how you want it. So then you just take this out, and then you put it in another container with a lid on it, and then you just scoop it out rather than spraying it. Of course, you could put it in a little decorator bag or something like that, but you really don't need to do that. And so anyways, you just put it in a little jar with a lid, and then if you need to make more, just double this recipe, and then people can scoop it out. Or if you serve up pumpkin pie or something, just take your spoon and put a dollop on each one. So it's real simple, not a big deal. So you got to try it, and see, it's nice and thick. See, nice and greasy, but it's good stuff. Alrighty, okay, just wanted to give you that little tidbit for the holidays. So here's a little bit of pumpkin pie, like I said, and you just take this and put a big old fat dollop on there. And then, like my husband likes it, and he likes me to spread it all over. So you can use as much as you want, because you get tons of it when you do it this way. That's not very pretty, is it? But anyways, if you want to make it pretty and you want to put it in in a little decorator tube, you can do that, but you have to make it a little stiffer. This, I didn't make it real stiff, because I like it when it's creamy. But anyways, there you go.